What up, sneaker fam? How's it going? Back with some more low heat. I don't even know if this is considered heat, but I think this is a fire pair of sneakers. I already kind of spoiled it in my Yeezy Day haul video unboxing the Wave Runners. I slipped up and opened these by accident. So for the initial unveiling and my reaction to that, check out that video. It'll be at the end of this video. I'll link it. But so that was the initial one. But I don't feel I did it proper justice. So I'm revisiting it into a proper unboxing / review. So before we get to that, a little bonus unwrapping. I got this off StockX. This is not a StockX sponsored video, but I did get both this and these off StockX. I put in a bid and it got accepted. And so kind of happy. It's one of those things where it's like you're kind of happy, but then you're like, man, I spent all that money on this. But, you know, it was it's the price I put in the bid at. So, you know, can't be too upset. I think this right here that I'm putting down here is the best hoodie you can find. Look at this. This is a Kith Pendleton collab I got from StockX. I initially tried for this hoodie when it dropped. I went to Kith in LA, and unfortunately this colorway was sold out. I got the blue one. Where is that? Here you go. I got this one. Instead, this was all they had left in my size. So I was a little bummed, but this one's fire anyway. This is super comfortable material. I love the look also. I just preferred this one. So I've been wanting this forever, put in an offer on a double XL, and it got accepted. So this is the most expensive hoodie I've ever paid for. That being said, I think it's dope. I do not regret it. And, you know, I justify these things as like, how many times are you going to wear it? And are you going to enjoy when you wear it? And I think I'm going to wear this a ton of times. So when it comes down to it, by the end of the, you know, at the end, it'll be like, you know, if I wear this however many times, it'll come out to like a few bucks a wear. I'm willing to pay that for something that I really enjoy, really think is dope. So it retailed for $175. I think I don't know what I paid for this. $225, $200 something. And so tax, shipping, fees, definitely was a pricey hoodie, but I love it. Let me know what you guys think of this. It's got the Kith Pendleton label down there. Really heavy, really good quality. I think you can wear this with a bunch of stuff. Neutral tone, or earth tones, not neutral tones, earth tones, jeans. This will look great. Don't get to wear hoodies much in LA, but that's all right. I don't think I'm going to be buying hoodies anytime soon. I got those two. They're fire. And I'm good on hoodies for now. Let me know what you think about that hoodie in the comments. And while you're in the comments, why don't you subscribe? That would be appreciated. Almost at 500 subscribers, so thank you for watching. Thank you for those who subscribe and returning viewers. All right, boom. These are the Adidas. Well, let's redo this. I did this in the other video, but just for you who might have missed that, these are the Blondey Superstars in ice blue. They call it Starlight blue as advertised, but why I got these on StockX is because these were ridiculously under retail. These released in January 2021, December, and it may be in the UK first, but these were ridiculously under retail. They were retail for $154 US, and I think I got these under 100 on StockX in my size. Currently, I just looked up before I started this video, 11.5 is still way cheap. It's like $99 on StockX. Size 12 now has gone back up closer to retail, but I was bummed when I missed out on these. I think they hit the confirmed app and I just missed it. I was bummed when I missed these, and they're such a unique shoe. Look at this. That's so wild. Super wild. And so I was super happy when I thought about them again, looked them up, and they were way under retail. Now, this is a design collaboration with Blondey McCoy. He's a British skater designer, founder of Thames MMXX, and this is his third shoe like this. He did some see-through black ones, see-through white superstars, and then this Starlight blue colorway. I think the initial reaction most of you probably would have is that these look like bowling shoes. That's what I said in the other video. You would not be wrong. They definitely do look like bowling shoes. But that being said, they look like fire bowling shoes. As you can see, we'll get into some of the details. Comes with extra laces, a secondary red pair. I think these are the same. Yeah, just a bonus pair for if you skate these, because these are, I mean, technically, like, you know, meant to be skated in. Not necessarily designed to be skated in, but since Blondey's a skater, they are kind of skate shoes. And then these, I didn't mention in the other video, have 3M hits. I don't think you can see that, but 3M hits in these black laces. So that's dope. Always love the 3M hits. I mean, who doesn't? And then as you can see, this tongue kind of got a foam padded tongue. You got this, there's the insole, and this black toe and black sole, outsole. Sorry if you hear that. Girlfriend's watering plants outside. Let's bring out the other shoe quick. Let's bring out the other shoe and let's try these on. So if you like these at all, I would suggest going on StockX, finding them. I know probably no one's going to watch this video because these are older release and these aren't heat. So I don't know. This might get 10 views. Appreciate you if you watch this. Give me a thumbs up in the comments if you watch this. Let's put on. So right now I have on my Sean Witherspoon Super Earth ZXs. He's coming out with a new trail shoe with Jiminy Cricket on the tongue or the heel that he's been rocking a lot on Instagram. And then he's also teased that he's dropping another pair of his superstars that he did in white, now in like a black colorway. What do you guys think about those? And should I cop a pair? I was thinking about trying to go for those black ones since I missed out on the white ones. And also I love the trail shoes with Jiminy Cricket on them. Should I get those? If you guys are interested in them, let me know in the comments if you want me to try to cop those and unbox them for you. All right, so let's take these off. And then I wore two different socks to show off the see-through, how they look in these. Full disclosure, this past weekend I did see a mom at the John Wayne Orange County Airport in these. I don't care. She's just, you know, a classy lady wearing, you know, some heat on her feet. So I'm fine with that. I don't mind. I don't mind that moms are wearing these. I'm not going to tie those. But there you can see I'm wearing my Stance Outcast socks. You can see through them a little bit. I'm happy. This is half size up, so for the fit, I'm glad I went half size up. Obviously, these aren't going to stretch much, right? It's all synthetic. I think TPU upper, and then the rubber toe cap. So these aren't going to stretch or anything. So at least in my opinion, if you're unsure, always go half size up. You can always wear thicker socks, bigger insole, etc. So here, some black Adidas socks on these, some Stance socks on those. I think that's kind of dope. It's the see-through. I don't know. I think these are so unique, right? No, this, you know, kind of the inspiration for the channel is that you don't need to have high heat to like be a sneakerhead, to wear cool shoes, wear dope fits, etc. You don't need to spend a ton of money. That's kind of like the thing, is because we can't all have access to these super sought after sneakers or have the money to pay resale. So there's ways to, you know, show off your style, be, I don't know what's the correct word, but fashionable without having expensive stuff on your feet. expensive shoes on your feet. And I think this is a prime example. Like, these are so wild. I mean, you're going to get looks all over. Sneakerheads might know these. Hype beasts, who knows if these were on their radar, if they know what these are. But I mean, these are definitely going to get looks if that's what you're going for. So you can see through them a little bit. And so you may be wondering, well, you know what? What if I don't have a pair of socks on? This is where, you know what? Don't thumbs down this if you don't like feet. I'm just doing it for the memes, for the laughs. So don't resist the urge to thumbs down. I'm just doing this for science, for all you sneakerheads watching YouTube. This is just to, just for the memes. In case you were wondering, how does this look without socks? There's my foot with black fuzz all over it. Let's see how these are. That's another question for the comments. Do you ever wear shoes without socks? Now, I hated it, but then, I used to play a ton of soccer, and just out of sheer laziness, hated putting on socks after pulling off sweaty soccer socks and then trying to put on other socks. So I would definitely put in my raw bare feet into trainers when I used to play a ton of soccer growing up. But that's about it. I am definitely a socks guy in my shoes. And it's safe to say with these, that will be staying the same. I don't know if you can see my little toe. It's hard to show it off with the tripod right here. That's gross. I would not advise that. Some of you may ask, do these get hot? Do these get sweaty? There are perforations here. I haven't worn these. As you can see, they're still like dead stock essentially. So I can report back on that. If 50 of you, all 50 of you who watch this want to wear a review, I could do that, I suppose. But I'm guessing these will be a little hot. But there are perforations here. So there you go. There you go. This is a soft ankle liner there, so it's not going to cut in, I don't think. Some leather there at the end. Leather stripes. I'm not the detail guy on YouTube. If you watch like Sean Go videos where he points out every stitch, I'm just not that guy. I'm just kind of vibing here, telling you what I think my initial reactions are, and then just pontificating about the industry and bullshit and what I like. So if I miss a detail on here, I apologize. That's just not my YouTube video style. So I try to get into all the details, but I miss some. So that's it. Let me know what you think of these. Give me a subscribe if you actually watch this. I would appreciate it. And stay on the lookout for some more Lowheat coming up.